Hello guys, how to convert a live photos of your iPhone into a animated GIFs in iPhone. Unlock your iPhone first and here go to App Store and search app and type GIPHY and first install this app on your system. Tap on get and let the iPhone complete the downloading and installing procedure. Tap on install and first you will have to install a third-party app from iPhone App Store. After downloading and installing, open it. Tap on open. GIPHY and create an account or sign in with your Apple app ID or Facebook. Choose any one of them and tap on terms and condition and continue with passcode. Tap on it. Unlock your iPhone with passcode. And after that, press continue. And your app is ready now. Follow on screen instruction. You can make stickers, emoji, reactions through GIPHY app. Thereafter, tap on plus sign and continue. Provide camera access. Choose allow. Microphone access. GIPHY would like to access your microphone. Allow all this feature and make your own filters with these new tools. You may choose them or avoid them. After that, choose a photo. Tap on gallery. Allow full access or limit access and choose a photo which you want to create a GIFs, animated GIF. Tap on it. And select photo access, open settings and go to enable the photo access to GIPHY app and choose full access, allow full access. Thereafter go back to your GIPHY app and tap on plus sign and choose a photo which you want to add GIPHY. From the bottom you can see various tools available: caption, filters, stickers, loop, upload, trim, etc. These various tools for editing your GIFs. Click on arrow button and click on arrow and your GIPHY, upload to GIPHY or share GIF. Choose any one of them and your photo will successfully converted into GIFs. Same, you can choose and create a GIFs from your iPhone photos through a GIPHY app. Share a video, you can share this through WhatsApp and other social media feature. You can save video from here. That's all.